Hey, welcome back. Okay, so today I wanted to show you how you can make a quick and easy and real cheap wall decor. Okay, so I've been looking at these wall decors from different places, and a lot of them are over $100, and they have them in all kinds of places, Wayfair and Z Gallery and Kirkland's, even Home Depot has some, but they're just a little bit too pricey for me. So I was in Walmart and I came across these placemats. So I was like, let me see if I can try to recreate this wall decor for real cheap with these placemats from Walmart. All right, so first I went and got the placemats. Mine were $2. I hear that they might be cheaper in other states, but here where I'm at, they are like $1.90 something. So I started out with just placing them on the wall to see where I like them, and then just lined them all up and kind of lapped them over each other at the corners, like, well, not corners because they're circles, but just lapping them over each other and alternating between the colors, because I did get two colors. I got a gold and a holographic type one. And then I did that, and then it was just a little too flat still. So I took some trays that I got from the dollar store, so the Dollar Tree. So you can get these from your local Dollar Tree, and they are $1. And I just wanted to add some dimension. So what I did was just drill a little hole, which was real easy, with like the smallest drill bit that I had, so that the pins that I was using to put these on the wall can go through. I used two different sizes of trays from the Dollar Tree, just to give it different shapes. So one was more of an oval shape, and then one was like the, what do you call them, the charger plates or the serving plates from there. And then this is how it looked. But the ones that were more oval it was just too much dimension for me. So I wind up just going with the big flat like plates, and then this is how it came out. So I just wanted to give you that idea. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give a big old thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.